we have compiled some common funniest answers given by IELTS candidates during their IELTS preparation. So enjoy this video. Good morning.
Good morning.
What is your full name?
My full name is Simardeep Kaur.
What can I call you?
You can call me Simi.
What is the meaning of your name?
I don't know.
Who has given you this name?
I don't know.
Alright, where do you come from?
I come from home through a Punjab roadways.
Okay. Do you live in a house or flat?
I live in a house.
What are the main features of your house?
There are a lot of features in my house. For example, a gate, a kitchen, 2 bedrooms and a washroom.
And which is your favorite room?
My favorite room is my room because it's organized by me.
Alright. Have you ever gotten lost?
Yes, I lost so many times.
Is it easy to get lost in your city?
Yes, my city is very big. So many people are lost and me also lost so many times.
Let's talk about physical activities. Do you do any physical activity or exercise?
Yes, I go for a walk.
How often do you do it?
I go for the walk once month only.
Alright. Why do you think some people are vegetarian?
I think they do not like a non-veg food, so they are vegetarian.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I like reading. I like IELTS reading books.
Okay. And what kind of books do you read?
I like a dictionary book mostly.
Why?
Because I want to find the new words, so that I like to read a dictionary book.
How many hours you sleep every day?
I do not sleep in the day.
What kind of watches do you like to wear?
I do not like to wear watches because in the IELTS exam they are not allowed to wear a watch.
What do you usually dream about?
My dream is to become a scientist because I want to invent new things.
Do you like dessert?
No, I do not like desserts. It is very hot places such as Rajasthan.
Which is your favorite wild animal and why?
My favorite wild animal is dog.
Why?
Because they are very loyal.
What is the most popular animal in your country?
The most popular animal in my country, donkey.
Why do you think so?
Because people prefer to travel by the donkey on the hilly areas.
How much money do you usually spend on shoes?
I spend too much money on the shoes, near about 200 to 300.
Are you a tidy person?
No, I am not a tidy person. I am a neat, clean person.
Are you good at telling jokes?
Yes, my friends told me you are a joker.
Why?
Every time I create a fun, so that they told me.
What app have you used recently?
I used WhatsApp, Insta.
What do you use it for?
For chatting, for making reels.
Which is your favorite dish and why?
My favorite dish is Tata Sky because I watch so many serials or movies.
And what kind of dishes are popular in your country?
There are a lot of dishes are popular such as Tata Sky, Airtel.
Okay. Do you like watching sky?
Yes.
Where can you see the sky?
I see the sky at night.
What is the most popular drink in your country?
The most popular drink in my country is water. Everyone drink a water in every time.
What do you prefer, tea or coffee, and why?
I prefer tea because the coffee is too much bitter.
Do you like colors?
Yes, I like color. I saw so many cereal from the colors.
Which is your favorite color and why?
My favorite color is red because it's a symbol of love.
Are water sports popular in your country?
Yes, water sports are popular in my country such as Fun World, Fun City.
Do you smile while taking photos?
No, I do not want to smile taking photos.
Why?
Because I am not looking good.
Why do you think jeans are popular?
Because from the genes we know about our families, so that jeans are popular.
Have you ever lost sunglasses?
Yes, I lost my sunglasses so many times.
Okay. Have you ever tried any foreign food?
Yes, I tried foreign food such as noodles, soya cham, or so on.
Okay, let's talk about perfumes. Do you like perfume?
No, I do not use perfume because it's too costly.
Did you give someone perfume as a gift?
No, never.
Why?
Because it's expensive according to me.
Do you use a car to move around?
No, I do not prefer to car move around. I move by myself.
How do you usually travel from one place to another?
Throw of it.
Alright, this is the end of your part 1 speaking. Thank you.
Thank you.